Guys, making a gift card for different region or country is really very easy. All you need to do is search iniba.com on your web browser, or you can use Iniba and go on website. Then you need to search your desired gift card like Amazon, but you need to mention your friend country name. Like you live in England, but your friend lives in India, so you need to mention India to get it redeemed by your friend. And you can choose whichever amount gift card you want, like 10,000, 5,000, and any other amount gift card. In the video, I am using 10,000 rupees gift card, and the link of this gift card, if you want to buy directly, is in description. You can buy through Buy Now button, and the payment methods are following. I am not gonna buy, but if you wish to buy, you can buy.